Meaning of high priest.
High priest.
High priest.
High priest.
High priest. High priest refers to a religious leader who holds a prominent position within a specific faith or tradition. In many cultures and religions, the high priest is responsible for performing important rituals, serving as a mediator between the divine and the community, and providing spiritual guidance and instruction. The title of high priest can also denote a figurehead or authoritative representative. Historically, high priests played a significant role in the worship of various ancient deities and gods, and continue to hold positions of prominence in many modern-day religious traditions.